So the next time they ask you that what's a psychological level, you simply tell them that psychological level is anywhere, any level that has the potential to control price. Let's say this is your psychological level, right? If the price is coming from here, once it gets to that psychological level, there's high tendency that it will control the price from this place and send it back to where it's coming from. And let's say if this is your psychological level here, if the price is selling, once it gets to that psychological level, it can control it and send it back up. You feel me? So that's what psychological level means basically. So there are a whole lot of ways you can actually use your psychological level. Number one, you can use it as an entry. ENT, let's see ENT as an entry. You can use it as a TP, as a take profit. You feel me? You use it to know where you get out of the trade. You can use it to know where to get out from the trade, and you can also use it to know where to find, where to wait for price to, as let's just say, is a key level. You feel me? Key level. You can use it as a key level. So these are the things. So these are the things you can do with a psychological level. Now let me show you how to plot a psychological level on gold, XAUUSD. Yeah. Let me show you how to plot psychological level on gold. So this is gold, right? To plot psychological level on gold, you should understand that gold PIP calculation is different from currency calculation. It is different from crypto and other asset class, other instruments basically. For you to plot a psychological level on gold, just pick your horizontal line. You need your horizontal line, right? Just place it in a random place. But we are not using any random place. We want to start with a random figure, like a round-up figure from anywhere from, let's say, for example, the 3,000 to 4,000, 4,000, 5,000 to 5,000, like stuff, like places like that. Those are the places you want to start. You want to start your key levels from. Those are the places you want to start plotting your key levels from. So once you place it there, all you just have to do is keep adding 50 pips to the number. 50 pips. Now let me show you. So this is, we want to place this, we want to start from 4,000. This price, this particular horizontal line is on 4,000. So let me just use it as 3 for it to be bold. So all you just have to do is double tap it. Once it's open, you come to your style, you come to your coordinates. Like this is the coordinates. Yeah, you come to your coordinates and erase the number that's there. Let's input 4,000. This is 4,000. That's our first psychological level. So that this will be our start. From here, we want to keep adding extra 50 to the number. Let's say if we want to do it, let's say if we want to plot it up to 5,000 or up to 4,500, we want to keep adding 50 to the value or to the number, whatever. If you mean. So now, just want to come here, plot another horizontal line. As usual, just double tap it to open the setting. Now, like I said, you want to add 50, 4,050. You see, this is the second one. Now, just like that, we want to continue, add another one. Add another one. This is just, you can place it in a random place. Tap it to open. Now 4,050, we are going to 4,100, like 4,050 plus extra 50. You should know that is 4,100, right? 4,100. So this is our second psychological level. Now I'll just plot like 5 and show you how to use it basically. So 4,100. Let's do one more. Let's do 2 more. So 4,100, we are going to 4,200. 4,150 rather. 4,150. That is plus 50. We are going to 4,150. Alright, plus 50. Let's just add one more. One more, right? You can drop it any random place. Double tap to open, and so the last one we did is 4,150, right? just want to add extra 15, so 4,150 will be 4,200, right? That's plus 50. So this is how you plot your psychological levels on gold or literally any PS, but the pips calculation are different. This particular tutorial or this particular class is this particular class is specifically made for gold traders or major on golds, basically. Yeah, just like I said, gold is a very, very heavy pair. Now, how to use it? We plotted these psychological levels on the higher time frame. You can see this is my 2-hour time frame. Now this is my 30-minute time frame, and this is the first psychological level we plotted, right? This is the 4,000. This is the 4,000. Yeah. Now I'll just mark it out for you to see, but pay close attention. Delete. I'll just mark it out for you to see. Pay close attention. This is 1. This is another one. Just pay close attention to those reactions. See these ones. This is 2. These are 2 touches. There are 2 touches there. Pay close attention. Just follow me. Look at this place as well. Look at this place. Look at this place. Yeah. Look at this place. Also, multiple touches here as well. Now, look at this one. Look how price reacted. Immediately touched that psychological level. I hope you now understand what psychological level means, like how it functions, right? That's why I said you can use it for your entry and also use it for your exit. Let's assume you wanted to enter from this place, from this candle, like wanted to enter from this place, right? Firstly, you have to understand that okay, this price is already trending up, right? You want to enter from this particular place. You know all this price action. We know all this price action from this place had not formed then, right? The price was still around here. So this is where you want to look for your entry on the psychological level, right? On the psychological level, right? I personally, I would have entered from, let's say, immediately I start seeing this bullish momentum, right? And my stop loss would just be down below here, just be below this level. And like I said, you can use it for your take profit, just basically buying from one psychological level to the other and see how the next psychological level reacts. If it want to sell, you sell to the order, and if you want to keep buying, you buy to the order. It's just a key level basically where it has the potential, a very high potential of controlling the price. You feel me? Just like I said, if the price is buying before, if the price is selling before, where's my pen? Just like I said, if the price is selling before, once it gets to that psychological level, it has the potential to buy the price to the next psychological level, and the next one you will definitely see it control the price. You see this one now, it didn't control it. You definitely see it control the price. Look at this one now. Even though the price broke the psychological level, you could see it still affected it somehow. Giving you a sign that something is about to happen there, and anything can actually happen from here. Like the price can react and sell off to the next psychological level again, and just break, keep selling like that. So like I said, it is a key level where you can find your entries and also use them for your exit. Okay, let's see, this is another one. This is a very good one as well. Look at this one. You see, let's say we want to sell from this particular place. Immediately we start seeing this bearish momentum after the retest on the psychological level. My stop loss will just be right here, selling to the I'm simply just selling to the next psychological level. It is very easy peasy. Use one psychological level for your entry, use the next psychological level for your exit. It is as simple as that. Just see that entry and look at the exit here. Immediately the price tapped into our take profit. Look how price did. It reacted up from that place again, of which you can actually buy. Let me just clear this. Let me just clear this very fast. We can actually look for entry opportunity from here. Again, enter from, we immediately start seeing this bullish momentum, right? And our take profit just right below the candle. Target the next psychological level. Now, let's see. Look at where this market, look at where this one stood up from again. You can actually just psychological level to another psychological level. Market, that's just how price moves. I keep saying this thing, like price does not just move anyhow. Price is always hunting liquidity from one zone to the other, from one zone to another zone, from one level to another level. That's how price moves. Look how price did here. It moved from this place and came to the psychological level. Now look at the psychological level as well. It came to retest the psychological level. It retested it 2 times. It retested it twice. This is the second retest, and it bought from here and went up. So I hope you now understand why I say you can use it as your entry, and you can also use it as your take profit, TP rather, or use it to look for, like, you can, is also a key level, right? Key level. You can use it as a key level for you to, where you stay at, like place you wait for the market to come to. Key level, in case you don't know what key level means, let me break it down for you again. This is your key level. This is your psychological level. After you plot it, you simply wait for price to come there. Your reaction, let's say once the price tap into that psychological level, this is where you want to wait for a reaction. Let's say if you trade liquidity or whatever you want to use, let's just say if you trade liquidity, yeah, let's say the price will sweep this liquidity, and this is where you look for your break of structure. This will be your break of structure, and wait for price to come back to your valid supply, and this is where you want to sell from. I hope you understand. So that's just that about gold. So that's just that about plotting psychological level on gold. So if you find any value in this class, drop a W with a fire emoji in the comment section, right? And like this video, follow this account, save and watch till you understand, and also share it with someone who needs it. You feel me? So I'll catch you guys on another video. Peace.